So as we are awaiting the arrival of the Union Home Minister Amit Shah to Jharkhand, what we are getting to know in the latest development that there has been some sort of an altercation right at the entrance of the rally grounds there between the BJP workers. We are trying to make sense actually of what had happened in this altercation that has now been reported in Jharkhand, where Union Home Minister Amit Shah is all set to arrive in a short while from now, including him and also the Chief Minister of the state and Party Supreme of the TMC, Mamata Banerjee, will be holding rallies in the battleground state. Going across to Piyush now. Piyush, give us the first-hand information of what really happened a short while back just before the arrival of Amit Shah.
Well, absolutely, there was some sort of minor ruckus which took place there at the entrance point of the rally. I would ask Yashpal to show you the pictures. That's the entrance point of this rally, where the police personnel were deployed in large numbers, and they were saying that whosoever is entering inside the rally ground should be carrying exclusive security card, security pass. But the BJP after that said that why would you need exclusive security pass for each and every person, the locals here, the people here of this very area? And then at that time the ruckus took place, but police personnel were very much adamant. They were saying that if anyone is entering, should be carrying that pass itself. Right now as we are speaking, the people have now been allowed, and the situation, the kind of ruckus which was there has now been solved, and the situation is absolutely under control. Let me also try to show you the pictures of the ground, of the rally ground. You can clearly see that that stage is absolutely very much ready. Union Home Minister Amit Shah will be coming here in a short while from now. People continue to come here in large numbers, not only inside this rally ground but also outside rally ground. Many people are standing, and also Yashpal can zoom and try to show you the pictures of people who are standing outside rally ground, and they are waiting for their turn to come to enter inside the rally ground. So there was a minor ruckus a couple of minutes back, but right now the ruckus has now been solved. The situation is under control. The police personnel are now having, they were having some sort of tough time to check each and every worker of BJP. There was a small ruckus also, but now that has been solved. We'll have to wait and watch what Amit Shah is now going to tell to the people of Jharkhand. Remember that today a big day has been planned by BJP for the rallies of Amit Shah. Yesterday he held a massive roadshow there in Kharagpur, and after that today he is going to do a massive rally here in Jharkhand, and after Jharkhand he will go to Rani Band, where he will also be doing a roadshow. So a big campaigning plan is there at the part of BJP, and Union Home Minister Amit Shah is also to reach here, and before that preparations have been done here. The stage is absolutely set, and
so when are we expecting his arrival there, Piyush, as you continue to show us along on the preparations that have been done? People have already started arriving there, and it is being said that this rally is being conducted in a special message and a remembrance of our freedom fighters for their immense contribution in the nation's freedom struggle.
Well, Amita, what we are given to understand is that in a short while from now, Home Minister Amit Shah will be reaching here. He will be interacting with the workers, thousands of workers of BJP who have gathered here in large numbers. In a short while from now, he will be reaching here. If you go by the schedule, he was supposed to reach here at around 11, and we are continuously showing you the pictures from right here at the rally ground. He was supposed to reach here at around 11, but there is some sort of delay because we saw that how there was a minor ruckus which also took place, where people were not allowed to enter inside the rally ground.
Right.
But now they have been allowed, and a huge number of security personnel have been deployed. I would ask Yashpal to continue to give you the 360-degree view of the entire area. Women have also been given a special place here. They have been given a special space there. They are sitting on other side. At the same time, there is a special place which has been designated for the BJP workers, top leaders also. And this row has been kept empty for the top BJP leaders. When Amit Shah arrives here, they will be coming with them. So the preparations are all in full swing. People continue to come here in large numbers. Stage is set. top leaders, including Sanjay Mayur, Kailash Vijayvargiya. We can see them there on the stage. People are standing in queue. Yashpal can continue to show you the pictures. You can also see that
The
people right
crowds are
outside the rally
gathering.
ground.
The numbers are swelling continuously as the people are awaiting the arrival of the Union Home Minister Amit Shah, who will be holding two public rallies in the state of West Bengal. The first one will be in Jhargram, where Piyush is currently reporting live from, and this is on Mamata Banerjee's turf there, where today he will be holding that public rally. Thanks very much, Piyush. We'll be awaiting Union Home Minister's arrival in a short while from now.